Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings from IndiGo. They are hiring for officer and executive positions for security, customer service and RAM departments. So the functional area will be airport operations and customer services. Coming to the eligibility criteria, for the officer level, you must be 12th passed and freshers are most welcome. For the executive level, you must be aviation experienced and you should have minimum qualifications like graduation will be preferred, and the applicants with no aviation experience should have the age up to 27 years will be preferred, and you should not have visible tattoos. You should be flexible of working in rotational shifts including night shift, and the applicants of ground staff only like security, customer service, van or catering or cabin appearance or cargo will be preferred, and you must have screeners and basic aviation security certifications. And overall, freshers and up to 5 years of experienced candidates are eligible, and the job location will be Dehradun from Uttarakhand. So if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can apply by the link given below in the description box. For more detailed information, you can please go through the website link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.